In few days, malalaman na natin kung sino ang magiging bagong Miss World winner or Miss World Queen. Alam naman natin ang Miss World beauty pageant ay laging may delay. But yeah, at the end of this month, malalaman na natin kung sino ang magiging bagong Miss World. Pero bago dumating ang coronation night, pag-usapan muna natin, Krishna Gravides, ano ba yung chances niya? Siya kaya magiging pangalawang Miss World winner mula sa Pilipinas? Or siya ba yung isa sa pupwedeng sabihin natin na paglalaroan or iiyakan na buong Pilipinas? Dahil nanalo or dahil matatalo? Pag-usapan natin ang chances niya sa Miss World Beauty Pageant. Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzabala. Let's talk about beauty pageant. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roderick Cruzabala. Today's video, pag-usapan nga natin, wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa, subscribe na lang kayo. If you wanna subscribe and support my small channel, just click the subscribe button at huwag kakalimutan ang notification bell para naman hindi kayo mahuli kung meron akong mga bagong uploads about beauty pageant. Alright, so Krishna Gravides, alam naman natin kung kayo ay supporter ni Krishna Gravides o nanonood kayo o sumusubaybay kayo sa Miss World Beauty Pageant sa mga kaganapan nila sa social media, mga nakikita natin, especially sa mga vloggers na masisipag na nag-upload sa mga OOTD, mga events, mga ganyan, head-to-head challenge, national costume, introduction, top model competition, etc. Yung mga challenges nila. Well, this video is para doon sa kanyang performance at sa kanyang chances para sa gaganapin na coronation ng Miss World 2025. Alright, so Krishna Gravides isa sa talagang paborito daw ng media sa India, which is Miss World is being held in India, and syempre doon din ang coronation night. Makikita naman natin na talagang ready si Krishna sa kanyang mga OOTD. Wala tayo nakikita ng mga sablay na OOTD na talagang super bongga ng kanyang mga attire. The gowns, everything, especially the Beauty with a Purpose event, she was really stunning. Talagang royalty na parang may pagka-gothic na Egyptian na Arabic na hindi ko ma-explain but ganun yung dating ng kanyang gown na suot niya or dress ba ang tawag nun. But she was really stunning sa kanyang OOTD na yan. But not only that, pag-usapan natin yung kanyang overall performance as of now. Okay, hindi siya nanalo sa head-to-head challenge, but I think that she gave a really pleasant, appealing head-to-head performance. Beauty-wise, definitely she is beautiful. Body-wise, definitely she's very sexy. Although ang Miss World Beauty Pageant walang swimsuit. Okay, so hindi nila gine-grade or ini-scorean or tinitingnan ng girl kung sino yung pinaka-sexy. But definitely, syempre nakikita naman nila kung sino ba yung sexy kahit na nakasuot ng gown. Kumbaga, hindi nila tinitingnan or required na mag-swimsuit ang mga girls para to see how sexy they are. Diba? So, yun lang. So, sexy, beautiful, intelligent naman, palaban na palaban. Definitely. Kaya maraming umaasa na Pilipino na siya na ngayong magiging pangalawang Miss World winner. Which, of course, hindi mo naman masasabi or hindi mo naman masisisi ang mga Pilipino na umasa. Even ako, syempre, diba? Being a Filipino, syempre, definitely, I am supporting her as well. But, I'm supporting her not because I am Filipino and she's Filipina, but because of the overall performance na nakikita natin online. Again, online, wala tayo sa venue, so definitely, wala tayong alam kung ano ba yung mga nangyayari behind the scene. Siyempre, meron din yung mga criteria kung ano tinitingnan nila in person, kung how they interact with the people, hindi lang yung basta kung ano yung nakita natin online. But definitely, I think that Krishna Gravides is giving a very good performance as of now. But despite of our hope as a Filipino na siya yung maging Miss World winner at maging pangalawang Miss World from the Philippines na tinagal-tagal ng panahon ay noong 2013 ang ating kauna-unahang winner. So Evangeline Pascual was supposedly going to replace the actual winner in 19-something, but she declined. Okay, so 2013, Megan Yang was the first official Miss World winner. Hindi siya replacement. She is the winner, the actual winner in 2013. And from then on, she is hosting Miss World Beauty Pageant almost every year. So Krishna Gravides this year ay talaga namang maraming umaasa na siya maging bagong Miss World at pangalawang Miss World sa Pilipinas o mula sa Pilipinas. But kahit na ganun nga na umaasa tayo at maganda yung kanyang performance, meron dalawang girls or hindi lang dalawa, but definitely I'm just going to mention two of them or maybe three. Okay, sasabihin na natin 3. India is I think one of the strongest contestants. Not because she is from India or the pageant is being held in India. It is because she has the qualities of a Miss World winner. Okay, so she has this beautiful professional face, the aura, the personality. I think that she is really beautiful and intelligent. Yeah. Second is Thailand. Thailand is also giving overall performance. Although meron sa blind interview na sinabi niya na Miss World is her first pageant. But definitely, hindi alam naman natin na sumali na siya sa Miss Universe. But maybe parang ina-erase niya sa history niya na sumali siya sa Miss Universe. But sa side natin yun. Okay, so ang Thailand or Miss Thailand is really doing well as well. The OOTD, the beauty of the face, the beauty of the purpose and everything. I think that she has a very good chance as well. Okay? And last but not the least, na pwedeng makasilat ng Miss World crown is walang iba ko hindi si South Africa. So South Africa has the most decent face. Siya yung maganda pero hindi sexy na alam mo yung face niya na yung tipong pwede sa lahat. Hindi sexing face na pwedeng hindi yun yung face na parang pang Victoria's Secret or mga super fashionable sexy magazine. The body definitely as well is not the super sexy or the most sexier or the most fittest, but she has the body. But again, dahil nga walang swimsuit ang Miss World, her body is really okay. The personality, kung every time na makikita ko yung mga pictures niya, yung videos niya, nananalo pa nga siya ng Best Designer Award, something. She was really amazing there. Ang ganda ng kanyang dating, royalty, na mahaba na may parang cape or something. But yeah, so alam mo yung beauty ni South Africa na parang mahinhin, parang hindi, na maganda, pero definitely meron pa rin magsasabi na merong mas maganda. Kasi yung Miss World is more on like, parang yung pwede silang i-promote sa lahat. Hindi yung tipong ganda na parang sexy na something, you know what I mean? But the actual winner or the current winner actually was one of the sexiest, most beautiful, modelist winner. Aside from like Russia before, China, but yeah, so this year I think that South Africa has the strongest chance na makalaban ni Krishna Gravides. Despite of Krishna is giving all her best, I think that yeah, Miss World is really unpredictable. The pageant itself is really unpredictable. Let's see kung paano sila magko-compete comes coronation night. But if sa Asia lang, I think that Krishna Gravides is well deserving para sa Asia. But then again, andun pa rin si India, andun pa si Thailand, diba? And so and many others from Asia na maganda rin at magaling din naman. But yeah, so I think that these 3 ladies, India, beautiful, Thailand, also beautiful, also is a new franchise. South Africa is really more on like overall package. Okay, so Krishna Gravides is also overall package. All of these 4 ladies are overall package na po pwede sa Miss World. But again, I think that if ever hindi manalo si Krishna, I think that any of these 3 would win the Miss World title or Miss World crown. Yeah, so this is it. This is just a very quick video, my reaction bago mag-coronation ng Miss World Beauty Pageant. And ano masasabi nyo? Do you agree with my observation, my opinion? And just leave your comment down below kung meron kayo mga gustong sabihin or suggestion. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hello guys, this is Roderick Cruzabala. Let's talk about beauty pageant. She is amazing. Her qualities and beauty, wow. This is Roderick Cruzabala. Thank you for watching.